What's up, everybody? It's Amrinder Singh, and you are listening to Learn Punjabi like a native podcast. The main purpose of this podcast is to teach you conversation in Punjabi and tell the difference between textbook type Punjabi and the real conversation in Punjabi. Now, let's kick this thing off. Today, we will learn Punjabi word Lara, laona. So, this word means basically like when somebody tells you to do something, or maybe you made a plan together, but at the end he didn't follow that plan, or he didn't do what he said. So that kind of in that kind of situation we use lara lona. For example, so we made a plan to go to the picnic tomorrow, right? You told me we're gonna go to the picnic, right? So that's the plan. That's what we, and you convinced me to go there. You convinced me to go to the picnic with you, right? Because we're gonna having fun, whatever. But the next day when it comes, and now suddenly you ghosted, not ghosted, actually you told me like you can't go, whatever the reason, right? So that time I will told you ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਲਾਰਾ ਲਾਤਾ ਹਨਾ, ਜਾਂ I would say like ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਾਰਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਤੂੰ ਨਾ ਕਰਤੀ. It means you are the one who are convincing me go to the picnic, but now you are like backing up, right? So that's what it means. So basically in this situation we say lara lona. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਾਰਾ ਲਾਤਾ, right? Before you like make me lara, whatever, right? So that's the meaning of this word. Or in another case, for example, there are a lot of snow and you told me we are gonna shoveling the snow in front of our house, whatever, right? So you started doing that, I was also starting doing that, we starting shoveling both, but you didn't finish it. Then you make an excuse, you said, oh, I'm gonna come back, whatever the reason. Maybe you got a phone call, you say, oh, I'm gonna come back, I need to make a phone call, I'm gonna back in 5 minutes, right? What? But after that you never come back. So it means ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਾਰਾ ਲਾਤਾ. So next day when I'll meet you, I would say ਕੱਲ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਾਰਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਵਗ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ, right? It means tomorrow you told me to go to do so it means you told me tomorrow to do the shoveling, and we were shoveling. Then you said you will come back in 5 minutes when you want to make a phone call, but you never come back, right? So it means lara launa. Actually, I'm not thinking a specific single word in English for this word lara launa. Maybe kind of like a ghosted, something like that, like when somebody ghosted on you. I don't know. Yeah, it's little bit kind of hypocrisy, but not exactly. We can't say hypocrisy because if it is something, hypocrisy is like, for example, if I'm giving you advice, whatever the reason, right? For example, if I'm telling everybody like you should take care of your parents, right? But actually I don't do that. That's the hypocrisy. Hypocrisy comes when something is bigger and something a little serious. And when it comes to our normal small things, maybe you told me to do something, we are gonna do together. At the end of the day, there's something happened with you, and you like you cancel it, right? So this is kind of, you can call, if you want to call it hypocrisy, you can, but this is kind of a little different. Like maybe I think we can say ghosted, like at the end of when you ghost is mean lara launa. So you can say ਕੱਲ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਾਰਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਭੱਗ ਗਿਆ, all right? Or you can say if somebody is telling you to do something, or maybe somebody telling you to go somewhere together, and you know that person is like ghosted you before that time, you can say ਚੱਲ ਠੀਕ ਆ ਪਰ ਤੂੰ ਲਾਰਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਆਵੇਂ, right? Like if he made a plan to go to the party and he told you we are going to go to the party, that time you can say ਦੇਖੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਲਾਰਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਆਵੇਂ. It means like you are awaiting him, like now you are saying that maybe you won't come back, right? So that's why you are making it sure. Then he would say, "Na na, aunga," right? It's me. No, I'll come to the party, man. It's me. That's what he's saying. So I hope you get the meaning. What is the meaning of Lara Launa? So if you like this podcast, then give me a quick favor. If you are listening to this podcast on Spotify or on Apple Podcasts, then give it 5 star if you like this podcast, because it would help this podcast to spread among the more people.